Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to work ashwagandha powder, only way. Start by choosing a reputable, tested powder and verify purity on the label right away. Learn how to measure doses, mix with liquids, and note timing for best effects. I will guide you through simple preparation, safe starting amounts, and tracking results so you can use ashwagandha confidently and responsibly. In this video, I will explain how to work ashwagandha powder, only way. Start with a low dose, record your baseline, and increase slowly while observing effects over days. Mix powder into warm milk or a smoothie to improve absorption and mask the taste. Note whether it boosts energy or supports sleep, and adjust timing accordingly to suit your personal response and schedule. In this video, I will explain how to work ashwagandha powder, only way. Quick recommendation. The Echo Dot smart speaker can add calm with timers, guided breathing, and soothing sounds while you prepare your tea. It fits a kitchen counter or nightstand and pairs easily with routines for morning or evening use. If you want the Echo Dot or deals, check the description for the link and other offers. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will explain how to work ashwagandha powder, only way. Measure carefully with a consistent spoon, blend into warm beverages, and avoid boiling temperatures that might degrade components. Use fats like milk or oil to help absorption, and always check for contaminants in each new batch. Keep a usage log for at least 2 weeks to evaluate changes and decide on a steady routine that fits your needs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.